So now I show you how to use localization flow on 3D text. At first I add a new 3D text to scene and move this component in our view, for example here, and I make it a little bigger. I scale this to 15 and the same for epsilon 15, and go to our camera. Okay, it's not in a view. It's too far forward. Okay, a little bit back. No, okay, I see it, but I have to move it again. It's okay. And now I can put it a little bit in the right position. Okay, it's nice. I go to game. It's okay. Now I can apply localization component script again to this object, game object. I give a new name, 3D text. Okay, and choose this text placeholder. So, and if I click play, you can see English and then the placeholder text and the text. In the next part I show you how to replace this placeholder dynamically in the game.